Anlin's optional sound package with sound suppression technology is engineered to reduce exterior noise, making your home a quieter, more comfortable place to live. The sound suppression technology with dissimilar glass breaks down sound waves entering your home, substantially reducing outside noise compared to single or other dual-pane windows. To demonstrate, a sound meter will be used to measure the noise level of an Anlin sound demo with the optional sound package. As you can see, with the window opened and music playing from the inside of the Anlin sound demo, the sound level is about 85 decibels. With the window closed, the sound level is reduced to about 60 decibels. All Anlin windows and doors have been tested for sound insulation performance. To find the STC ratings or for more information on Anlin windows and doors, visit anlin.com.